Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 3-piece set of Christmas garland. This is some really nice garland. It actually is about 54 feet total. Each one of these is 18 feet long. So this has endless possibilities that you can do with it. Take it and put it down some railings in the front of your house, do some DIY with it. There are so many different things that you can do with it. This wire easily bends to conform however you want to have it. So that makes it really easy to be able to use for decorating. Let me show you how we can easily put this up, and then we'll take it outside and put it up out there. Just as an example for an inside idea, if you have like a stair banister, this would also be a really neat place to be able to put it because it is so long, and you can just easily tie that in and loop in and out to create another festive area in your home. All right, so here I am at the front of my house, and this would be a great place to put this garland. Is just right on this front little banister, because you can tie it on and move it however you want to have it. Now these do not have lights, but you can always string lights on later on if you want to and create whatever environment you want to have. All right, so I have this garland up on my banister here, and it looks really cute. Said it would be great for any sort of decorating that you're wanting to do for the holidays. It's nice and easy to move around, and it looks really good.